Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jean back with another video. So in this video, I'll be unboxing the JBL Tune 750B TNC wired and wireless headphones, or you can say it as a wireless headphones. So now this is the package that I have got from Amazon. So this is the package that I got from Amazon. As you can see, this package has not been opened yet, and this is a replacement item because I had bought the first 750 BTNC headphones, and the right side ear cup of the ear pad of the headphones were not working, so I replaced it now. And before 5 minutes, I think so, they came and took, and they gave me a new product, and the customer delivery was excellent. So they told that don't worry, you can take these headphones. So I thought I should have not replaced it, but still I had to replace because it's nothing good if one ear cup doesn't work, because you don't have too many ear cups, there are only two ear cups. So the specialty of this headphones is that it has an active noise cancellation, a pretty cool feature that you don't get in most of the budget headphones. Companies like Bose, Sony, and etc. make these type of headphones, and JBL is one of them too. Just take it around here. Well, as you can see guys, it's very hard to take this package from inside this, because as you can see, all the corners are shaped exactly the same, so it barely just gets outside and gets in. So I should try hard without tearing it. So whoa, package, yeah, let it be here. For cool package, it's smaller than the original bigger package, but still it's cool. So this is cost around 29 or 25 rupees for this gift wrap. So for the exchange, it didn't cost anything, I think so. Now let's, okay, how should I open this? Should I tear this thing? I don't feel like to tear this thing, but you need to, right? Okay, where's the scissors? At least it barely makes a cut with papers. I don't know if this is the headphones. I thought to buy it in some other color, but black is actually cool. Wow. Again, JBL pure bass sound. So I'll read it. Oh my god, just did this thing. Okay, I'll read what is in here. Okay, first says that JBL pure bass sound. Pure bass JBL. What? JBL pure bass sound. Sounds and pure bass JBL. What the hell did they write over here? Wait a minute. I'll just focus this. Oh ho ho. It's rude. JBL pure bass sound. Pure bass JBL. So let's go to the next point. So ANC, active noise cancellation. Cool feature. Hands-free calling and voice control. Again, cool feature. Multi-point connection. I think so. You can connect to one or two devices at the same time. Okay, I got this actually. Okay, I think you can see it now. So let's get into the accessories first. You have got an aux cable, a 3-ring aux cable, so you can hear the mic. And this is mostly important when you're seeing videos or playing games, and you're turning on your mic and speaking with somebody, and these things help you a lot. and you can get more standard quality audio with this aux cable. And this is a wired and wireless earphone, so you can play it as you like. And one more thing guys, this earphone doesn't come with the app that JBL uses. The app, what was the app? It was the JBL Connect app. So this does not support the JBL Connect app. I think in the later updates of the JBL Connect app, it may support this headphones. As you can see, this is the headphones. There are time switches which you can level it with. There is the click, a reassuring click with one and every. You can adjust it as you want. You can adjust it as you want. I'm not going to break this now itself, so I'm just going to So this earphone does not have a talk through feature, but it has active noise cancellation on and off button over here, so you can just click it over 2 times. So as you can see, I'll just focus it. This is the active noise cancellation button over here. This is the on and off power button. This is the aux cable button. This is the volume up, the rocker button, the pause button, and the volume up button. So that's all you can get. That's all the functions you can get with these earphones. And now I'll be showing you how to connect, and further on I'll be reviewing and I'll be telling some hidden features of this JBL 750B TNC headphones in my next video. So now let's check how to connect these earphones. So guys, the headphones here. So to connect, first basically just turn on the headphones. So I'll tell you one more trick, that if you are using it wired by an aux cable, you can just turn on noise cancellation without turning on the Bluetooth feature, without turning on the headphones. So that's a very cool feature. And you can turn your noise cancellation off. So powering on this headset, so as default it comes right like the noise cancellation is on, so you have to manually off it. Okay, now every time you off and on your headset, that just means you have to turn off your headphones manually, the noise cancellation mode. So as you can see, it has automatically paired with my device, so I'll just disconnect it. I'll show you where it normally comes. So if your iPhone holders, so it may come over here. iPhone owners, it may come over here. For Redmi and Android users, it may come over there. Like the same available devices, it may come over here as available devices. Sorry for the disturbance outside because I am filming outside. So it may come like that, and it's very easy to connect with your headset. And this headphones does not support JBL Connect. I think maybe in the future update of the JBL Connect app, it may support this headphones. So guys, this was the end of this video. This was the unboxing of this video. I'll be making a further review of this JBL headset. Until next time, this is Jean signing off.